Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I have my second Boxycharm, which is in an Ipsy box. And I had different choices, and I had all kinds of different options for this one. And let's get into here and see what I have. There's a lot of paper there. Oh. I almost forgot. This also has my, what's it called? What are they calling it now? It's like when we used to have the Boxy Premium. You can get an add-on item of $60, like, you know, $60 or more value for $15.99. Beauty Boost. And this is my Beauty Boost. Look at this. And it is Retrogram palette from Natasha Denona. And this is a at least a $69 palette. And I got it for $15.99. And it is stunning. It is so beautiful. Oh, it's got a little smudge there. I haven't even touched it myself yet. But this is just a beautiful palette. It will make some gorgeous looks. And it was a bargain. And I love a bargain. So, that is exciting. That is the first thing I'm taking out of the box. And the rest is not as exciting. But we have from Symbiosis, London, White Peony and Pain Complex, Enlightening and Exfoliating Cleansing Gel, which is very nice. I don't know the prices because we don't get the card anymore. But I had looked up the prices because you get to know what you get ahead of time, and I lost the sheet. So, oops, I did it again. I lost in the game. Oh, baby, baby. But anyway, this is a really great product because you need to get rid of all the dead skin cells on your face to get the best canvas possible. And so that is fantastic. Next we have from Elemis, which is fantastic. Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment Hydrating Eye Serum. And this says, this advanced eye treatment leaves the delicate skin around the eyes looking smooth and hydrated. Directions: lightly pat 2 drops around the eye area, morning and evening. And let's take a look at it. Because Elemis is some high-end stuff. That was a cat jumping down off my desk. And the packaging is beautiful and luxurious. And it's about half full. When I hold it up to light, it's about a little more than half full. It's like 3/4. So I hope that is good. And this is probably at least like $60. And this is for 15 milliliters, which is half an ounce. All right. Not even a whole ounce. All right. Then we have from Dew of the Gods, the Ultra Tonic Watermelon Extract Facial Toner. And I got this in my other box as well. So I have 2 of these. But it's always good to have a toner. And Dew of the Gods is done in boxes quite a bit. But I have a feeling that this is going to be really nice. So I'll probably put one on Mercari, and then I'll probably keep one for myself because I need to tone. And I love the smell of watermelon. What of it? Then we have from Masky Glam Care. This is the Pore Perfection Blurring, Correcting, Anti-Aging, Hydrating, and unifying fragrance-free serum-infused primer. And Mud Masky, I don't think they get the credit they deserve, but it's really high quality items here. This is a high quality item. I think it's Australian as well. And then last but not least, this is probably a gimmick. Probably a gimmick. It is a Stress Check Sleep Lotion, comforting body lotion with lavender and chamomile to support a good night's sleep. If a lotion could make me sleep through the night, my life would be different. So, I know this was about $16. Let's check it out. It's sealed. But I'm going to try it because this girl doesn't get a lot of sleep. Let's get the scissors. I'm trying to open it. I can't get the foil off, so I'm trying to dig around in the center. Oh, it smells really nice. It's a very thick lotion. And you know, it's lavender is supposed to be very relaxing. And look how thick that is. Let's rub it in. It smells so good. They did not skimp on the lavender or chamomile scent. Maybe this will help me sleep. Probably not, but at least I'll smell good. And that's half the bottle is smelling good, right? So we got the lotion, we got the toner, we got the primer, we got the exfoliating cleanser, we got the Elemis eye stuff, which is good. And then we got the Natasha Denona Retro Glam Palette, which is really great for the price, especially for $16.99 or $15.99. It's a bargain. So my box is all right. I think I'm going to continue to get 2 boxes just to see the differences, because I really had a huge difference between one box to the other. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.